What is up, my friends? So what I've been working on today is this and this. So basically what I'm doing is trying to think through how I'm going to set up the Webflow CMS in order to host the free courses for Chico. So what I'm doing with this is, well, first off, there's going to be two types of courses. There's going to be a free course and paid courses. So if it's a free course, what I want to do is actually have the courses live on the ChicoHQ site. So you can go through all the course lessons. So anybody can go through the course lessons without having to sign up or create an account or anything. Basically, I just want to make all the free stuff available to anybody who wants to go through it. But the paid stuff is going to live on my.chicohq.com, which I'm using coach.com to host all my products and courses, all the paid courses there. Well, as well as the free courses will live there too, but they'll also live on ChicoHQ. So what I've been doing is trying to think through like the flow of everything, as well as what fields and such I'm going to need on the site. So the Webflow CMS is actually pretty powerful. There's a lot you can do with it. So there's two different collection types that I need to create here. So there's going to be courses, and a course inside of that is going to have like a banner, an excerpt, a hero with a title and description, and maybe like a thumbnail image. We probably also need a yeah, and a thumbnail image. And then inside of that, it will list out the course lessons. All right, so let me break it down real quick. This would be the course. They'd be listed out like so, with a little image and then description. If you clicked on that, you'd go to this page. You'd see a hero with maybe like a title, subtitle, and then right here would be all the course lessons. So a course lesson would involve a little thumbnail and excerpt, and then the rest of the stuff would live on this page, which would be the video, if there is a video, as well as the main content, also some next and previous navigation links. So yeah, basically what I've been doing is just trying to think through everything that I need to add to the collection fields in the Webflow CMS so I can get going and set all this up. So I do think I have a fairly good idea of how I need to go about this. So I'm gonna jump on the computer and jump into Webflow, and actually I probably won't try to make it perfect, but I'm gonna try to get at least all the pages set up and everything clickable, and so you can actually navigate around. So yeah, let's go. So that was actually not too bad. So I got the basics set up in the Webflow CMS. So let me walk you through what I did. All right, so if we go to the collection, so I created a collection called courses and also a collection called course lessons. So a course is going to be like the container for the course lessons. So if I go into course and go into settings, All right, so I have a name, an excerpt, hero image, feature image, and a multi-reference to the course lessons. So this is the powerful, amazing thing about the Webflow CMS. It's pretty much like as if you were going to use WordPress with advanced custom fields. So I've done that quite a bit, and I've done a bunch of somewhat complex stuff. But I was able to set this up in like a quarter of the time, just saying. Anyway, so how this is set up is course lessons are separate. A course lesson has, if I go to the edit, course lesson has a video. So if I do a screencast, it'll show up. The main content, that's gonna be like the actual content for that lesson. So any text, images, etc. I added a thing for the next and the previous links. That way I can link to the previous and the next course lesson, as well as a thumbnail, an excerpt, and then I'm not sure if I actually need this, but I added the reference to the actual course. And then inside the course, we go to the settings. I have a name, excerpt, hero image, feature image, and the course lessons multi-reference. So the multi-reference is where all the power comes from. So for example, let me go into one of these. All these were automatically generated by Webflow, just so I have content to work with, which is super, super cool. So right here, you can see under the course lessons, if I remove a few of these, I can, let me save that. I'm gonna go into the other one, and then I can pick which course lessons show up for which course, which is pretty cool. So now if I go out of here and I go to the courses page, and I just view that. So on the courses page, it's just listing out all of the courses. So it's like this page right here. I still need to add the excerpt and the description and actually add the real content. From here, if you click one of these, you will go to this page, which is the lesson overview. So it's the actual course page, and it lists out all the course lessons. So how this is set up is, if I go in here, you can see everything's inside of a dynamic list, and you can create a dynamic list super easy. Just go to the dynamic content and drag and drop it. And then it allows me to change the, pretty much add anything that I'm referencing in that course lesson. So on this page, I'm gonna reference the, basically just the thumbnail and the description, and then I'm gonna link to the actual course page. And if I go to the actual course page, which lives under the course lessons template. All right, let me back up real quick. So if you go to /courses on the ChicoHQ site, you will see all of the courses listed out here. If you click on one of the courses, you would then go to the course template page. So the course template, this one doesn't have any. The course template is going to list out all of the course lessons for that course. So remember the multi-reference one that I set up? So every lesson, every course lesson that is referenced here will get listed out dynamically, which is super, super cool. And then if you click on one of these, you would then go to the course lesson template, which is going to show like the title, the video, the main content, next and previous links, as well as, well, the thumbnail and the description will be shown on the other page. So just like the video, title, and main content will be on this page. So if I actually view it and I go to, whoops, that header is not linked up correctly yet. /courses, click on that, and I'll go to the course overview page, and that lists out all the course lessons. If I click on a course lesson, I would then go to the actual course lesson page, and it would show the actual video and any content I had there. So obviously all of this content is was just generated automatically. One of the awesome things about the Webflow CMS is after you create a collection, you have the option to create like 5, 10, or 20 dummy collections. Did I say that right? I'm not sure. But basically it like automatically creates all the content for you, so that way you can jump into the design and actually get going and start laying stuff out. So obviously this looks terrible. I still have a bunch of work to do in terms of like the design and how I'm laying everything out, and actually as well as the actual content. I'm still figuring stuff out like as I go, in terms of like how I want to lay out the lessons page, like how I want everything to look, how I want, like what content I want to show on what page, how I want to lay it all out. I'm still working through all that, but the Webflow CMS is fantastic because I was able to get all this up in super quickly, and now I can like actually have something to help me think through. Like it's all set up, now I just need to go in and make it look nicer. You know, one thing I just realized that I still need to do, I need to set it up with a link. I'm not exactly sure because I haven't done it yet, but what I want the /courses page to show, if there is a specific link in the collection, if that input is filled in, I want it to go to that link, aka go to the sales page. But if it's not, I want it to go to the dynamic link. So I'm gonna play with all that as well as the layout and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna end it right here for this video. In the next one, I'll have some updates for you guys on this. And yeah, I am hoping to launch this in a couple weeks at the end of March. Still got a bit more work to do. I am making progress slowly but surely. If you haven't already, go to ChicoHQ.com and sign up to be notified when I do, in fact, launch this site. Oh, and also if you are interested in using Webflow and the Webflow CMS, be sure to check the description below. There's a link in there where you can get 1 month of the Webflow Pro plan for free by using the code, I think it's Mackenzie Child Pros. Guys, I have to say I'm like stoked by the potential Webflow has. Like the collections allows me to do everything that I could in WordPress, but I can do it all in a fraction of the time, and I can actually focus on the design without having to really think through how all the code would work. Because all that's handled for us. So yeah, we can just focus on what we should, which is the design side of things. But yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Be sure to check out the next video. I'll hopefully have an update on the rest of the stuff, and hopefully I'll be launching it very soon. But yeah, my friends, I will talk to you all soon. Peace.